Hi friends, I'm Natasha. Today I'm going to show you how to do an overnight oil treatment with our wonderful magical product called Rejuvinique. Now before we get started, I thought it would be great to explain why overnight oil treatments are really great for your hair and scalp. What you might not know, and I didn't until I started researching it, but our scalp and our hair ages way faster than our face and the skin on the rest of our body. On average, our scalp ages about 6 times faster than the skin on our face and 12 times faster. Our hair and scalp ages 12 times faster than the skin on the rest of our bodies. That's crazy. So our company creates anti-aging products for our skin, hair, and scalp, and that's pretty unheard of because we always consider anti-aging products and solutions just for the skin on our face, when really our hair and our scalp are aging so much faster, so we need to take care of them in at least the same, if not better way than we're taking care of the skin on the rest of our body. So this overnight over treatment should be done at least a few hours before you wash your hair, if not overnight. And what it's going to do is balance out the oil production in your scalp and set it up for the best possible environment for hair growth. So what I like to do is I'll take a few droppers full of this oil, and if you notice when you open our oil, there's a dropper on top, and you can fill it up the fullest if you depress the dropper and release before you open it. That's how you'll get the most oil in your dropper. So what I do is I'll use this dropper and go through my hair and place a drop here and there every few inches away. If you are doing this at night before you wash your hair, I would recommend combing out your hair first or brushing out your curls first with your fingers. That way, as you massage this into your scalp and your hair, it's easier to distribute it everywhere. I'm doing this in the middle of the day, and I'm gonna let it sit all night before I wash my hair tomorrow. So I don't really wanna brush out my curls too much since I'm gonna be seen in public. But what I'm doing is taking a drop and placing it every couple of inches along my scalp. And I have a big head, so I'm gonna use 4 droppers full. You could have stopped at 3 if you felt like that was enough for you. Now, if you have a super oily scalp and you're looking at me like I'm crazy because you think this is gonna make you even more oily, listen up. The thing is, with these overnight oil treatments, is the goal, now we're gonna massage it in, the goal is to really rebalance your scalp so that it goes into this place of stasis, basically where it's making just enough oil that your hair will need to thrive and that your scalp will need to thrive, and that it's not producing too much. Our oil is an amazing blend of 11 different types of oils, including omega-3 fatty acids and various vitamins and minerals. And what makes it unique is that it mimics the oil produced by our scalp, the healthiest version of the oil produced by our scalp. So when used consistently as an overnight oil treatment and during your hair transformation journey, your scalp is going to eventually go into the state of stasis where you have healthy hair growth, you have healthy hair shedding, you don't have products built up or clogging your follicles, and you're going to get healthy hair growth, healthy oil production, and you're not going to be left with those icky oily feelings or super dry flaky scalp. So I'm done massaging it through my hair. I did it really gently. Next, what I'm gonna do, because when I do my oil treatment, I also like to apply a couple other treatments to my hair. I'm gonna use our rejuvabeads, and I'm gonna put 4 of these into my hair. This is something that can be applied to wet or dry hair, and I'm just gonna scrunch it through my ends. The way this beautiful product works is, as a treatment, it literally zips up split ends. So if you imagine the ends of your hair were to look like this, with this being the single strand, and at the end it splits into 2, what this product does is within 30 seconds of application, it starts to zip that up, just like that, so you get a straight strand. And those results will last in your hair I believe up to 4 washes. So it's really great for prevention, it's really great for healing split ends. And if you're like me, there was a time when I couldn't get my hair to grow past my boobs. Couldn't get my hair to grow past my boobs. It was like they were set to grow that long and not any longer. But the real reason they wouldn't grow, I was having a lot of breakage. I bleached my hair, my hair was unhealthy, and I just had so much breakage at the ends that when it got to here, to right about the level of my boobs, it would just break. And so this has helped me gain that extra length. Now I can trim my hair so that it stays exactly where I want it because it's growing longer, and it's about halfway down my back if I were to pull out my hair right now. Another treatment that's great to do as you're letting your overnight oil treatment overnight sit is our double action hydrating serum. This is a blend of oils with water. It's all about hydration, all about quenching your thirsty hair and allowing your hair to hold on to that water longer. And you activate it by shaking it. So what I like to do is I only have half a bottle here. I don't always use it all. I'll spray a little bit into my curls. Just a couple spritzes here and there to give my hair a little bit more hydration. And the front of my hair tends to be really dry, so I make sure I always get that area and I scrunch it through. This is day 9 hair. Haven't washed my hair in 9 days. I did refresh it a couple of days ago, but this is day 9 hair. And so I really want to make sure I set it up to get the most out of my next wash, which is why I'm applying these 3 treatments. Now, if you want to get a little bit more out of your oil treatment while it's sitting overnight, what you could do is put on a shower cap like this and sit under your hair dryer for like 5 to 10 minutes just to heat that oil up, help with absorption, and then take it off before you go to bed. If you're worried about your pillowcases getting oily or anything like that, don't worry. This oil absorbs so quickly into your hair, and it was made to actually be small enough, the molecules in the oil to be small enough to penetrate your hair, be absorbed by your hair, be absorbed by your scalp, and to not leave like a greasy, oily mess. If you're still worried, you could wrap your hair or wear a bonnet before you go to bed. So in the morning, when you wash out your treatment, you're gonna give yourself a really great scalp massage with your shampoo. You're gonna do that once, rinse it out. You're gonna wash a second time, rinse it out, and finish with your normal conditioning and styling routine. I hope this was helpful. I hope you get so much out of your next overnight oil treatment. And if you wanna find any of these products, you can go to this website to find them, or you can send me a message and I can help you get matched with the best products for your hair, even if it's changed since the last time we talked. All right, take care. Bye.